Hi everyone, this is Edie from the Homewood Science Center. We just wanted to reach out to you and tell you we're thinking of you during this very difficult time and just let you know what we've been doing during the pandemic and also some exciting things coming up so that we have something to look forward to. And I also want to show you our building, take you on a quick tour of our building. First thing I want to start with is our beautiful garden here. This is a native garden that was created by our internship program, our conservation ecology interns. We can't wait to see what this looks like this spring, again, when it comes back up. And they're all identified, so it's wonderful. So come check it out. Come on in, I can show you what we have inside the Homewood Science Center. The first thing you'll see when you walk in our door is our interactive Founders Club sign. These are our corporate and individual donors have all been recognized here. The people that have supported us significantly from the very beginning. Like many organizations, we have had a revenue loss because of the pandemic. So please continue to support Homewood Science Center, and we're going to continue to serve the community. And check out our sign. I want to remind you that we have the pop-up science shop that is still actually active. Even though we can't open our doors right now to the public, you can purchase online. We also are going to have limited open hours where you can come and pick up, curbside pickup of delivery. All the proceeds when you purchase from the pop-up science shop go to the Homewood Science Center. So please consider shopping at Pop-Up Science Shop. Welcome to the Early Learning Lab at the Homewood Science Center. This space is intended for our youngest learners. And right here is an example of our new program, Pop-Up Science at Home. We offer them for free to pick up here at Homewood Science Center, but we also are getting them out into the community so they can go with free and reduced lunch pickup at some of the social service agencies that we work with, like Restoration Ministries in Harvey and Jones Center in Chicago Heights. And we also have a reminder about the census. Make sure you remind all your friends and neighbors that we need to complete the census so that we are counted in the south suburbs. Welcome to the STEAM Studio. This is the space where we have all kinds of low-tech materials for our camps, classes, and also our open making hours. Welcome to the Robotics Garage, which is the home of HF Robotics, which includes FIRST robotics teams for 7th to 12th graders, as well as Lego Robotics, which is for younger elementary school students. Welcome to our Nano Science exhibit that we have on loan from our friends from the Oak Lawn Children's Museum. I am really excited to also tell you that coming up in September, we will have another exhibit coming into the Homewood Science Center. The exhibit is called Science and You, and it will be sponsored by the AbbVie Foundation and coming to us from our friends from the Cole Children's Museum in Glenview. Welcome to the Michael Wechsler Theater. This is the crown jewel of the Homewood Science Center, our multi-purpose space that we use for our field trip program. We hosted 2,500 children from all over the south suburbs last year in our field trip program. Our Chicago Southland STEM Network events are held here, including our summer camps, which unfortunately we will not be able to host in person until the order is lifted. But we're really excited to be welcoming you back. We're hopeful that we will be able to fill this room again with our wonderful programs and events. Thank you for coming on this tour of the Homewood Science Center. I want to remind you that although we cannot be together in person at this time, we still have a lot of programming available for you, especially our new program, Pop-Up Science at Home. So keep checking our website for information. On behalf of my team here, the staff at the Homewood Science Center, we really wish your family well, and we look forward to seeing you again soon when we can be safe.